pink is the best color in the world. Guys, I got this personalized. Get it from Amazon. I've got my Bible, my devotion book, my laptop, my iPad, my scroll from when I graduated. Then I've got my mirror, my hair products up here. So on this side, I just have my kitchen. Flowers that my sister got for me. Well, that doesn't want to move.
It's not for you, baby. To be mumu guy. I send you text and you no reply. Oh my god, this stuff no be by force you, make me divert you.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally gonna show you around my first apartment. So let's go. So this is the corridor when you first come in. Behind the door, I just have my shoe shelves. There's just 3 of them that I just put my shoes in. Then I have my jackets and my bags up here. Now let me show you into my bathroom. Oh, the bookshelves. Over here is just my boiler and a bit of storage, nothing special really. Now let me show you into my bathroom. If you come into my bathroom, it's just my bath, detachable shower head, which I love. Then I've got my mirror, my hair products up here, my speakers. Then in this cabinet, I just have my face stuff, my hair stuff, and then just random other stuff. Now into my living room. It's my kitchen and my living room area all in one. Over here are the baskets I have for my hair products when I have appointments. I do need to tidy them up. And then I just have my kitchen. In this cupboard are my plates, bowls, cups, just some food items, some cereals. Then I have my seasoning. Down here I just have my rice and my oils and stuff. Then I have my cutlery drawers, my containers, food bags, my baking trays. Over here I have my washing machine. It also dries, which is perfect. Under here I have cleaning products and a lot of carrier bags. In the last cupboard I have some cooking pots. I have my electric cooker, my blender, my rice cooker, my iron, my air fryer and my kettle. Now my fridge and my freezer. A good amount of space, not too empty. This is my freezer. Moving over to the living room. Just in the middle I have my kitchen high table that I'm always sitting at when my friends come over. I have my dining table over here. This chair that my friend asked me to keep for storage, so it's not going to be here all the time. But anyway, I just decorated it with these flowers that my sister got for me for my graduation. They just made a perfect decoration. Then I've got my living room. This was originally the chair that was here when I moved in, but yeah, I asked for another one because kind of broken. I just decorated it with some pillows and a blanket. Then I've got my TV over here. Now let's go to my bedroom. Coming into my bedroom, of course I decorated it pink because pink is the best color in the world. Behind the door I just have my robe, my snuddy and boots for the winter. Then I've got my laundry bag down here. I put these pegs up to hang my bags because they'll get annoying under the table. Then I've got my MCA lights up here, which are my initials, which I'm going to show you how they look in the room at the end of the video. Now over here I have my little study desk. I've got my Bible, my devotion book, my laptop, my iPad, my scroll from when I graduated. Yeah, just some other stuff like my camera bag, books, my whiteboard. Now if you come over here is my wardrobe. So on this side I have my joggers and my jumpers and, you know, suitcases for storage. Then over here I have the other side of my joggers, my hair bags in the corner, extra bed sheets, towels, gym clothes, shorts, leggings and dresses. Then on my bedside table I've got my fan and other things that I charge throughout the night, like my watch and obviously my phone I charge on here. Then I've got a book, some remotes and a bottle. Guys, I got this personalized. Get it from Amazon. Now obviously just my bed, nothing special. Just got this pillow here that my friends got me and my good teddy Eli. Got my TV over here, but behind my TV I've just got this basket of creams, deodorant, body spray and all of that. Down here is my bin. This is my bed desk. So I just open it up when I'm working on my bed, but recently I haven't been working on my bed. Then I've got my little bin of cables because I just have so many cords and stuff. I don't really know why. In these drawers, up here is my pajamas, pants, socks. Here are my shirt. Here are my skirts and shorts. And down here are my jeans and trousers. Over here by the window, I've got decor, but not really decor. Well, that doesn't want to move. I've got my makeup bags, my mirror, another teddy I got from my friends, my Polaroid, and a book holder. Over here I have my mini fridge and my Galaxy Star projector, and then I've got also a sunlight lamp and then just a regular lamp. These are mostly my medicines and my jewelry. Oh my god, that's it! I showed everything. Now guys, I am going to show you my apartment in the night time when all my nighttime lights are on.